Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're going to go over the two puzzle piece assignments in the green folder. Okay, this is what today's assignment folder looks like. So we're going to go ahead and click in the top green folder. And we're going to do these two puzzle pieces. Now, this is a little bit light right now because I'm doing this on Sunday. In fact, I'm watching the Viking game right now. And I'll publish it tomorrow. Anyway, it looks like this. And to get the answers, guys, again, I'm on these tabs up top here. I'm going to click over. This is, again, today's folder. All right, again, I'm going to click right here in the green folder. I'm going to take out this copy of the slideshow right here. Okay? Because that always has our answers. And you guys will learn that. That's where your answers always will be here, okay? So let's look at the first thing. I'm going to preview it. All right, what is the title of today's lesson? All right, guys, here's the slideshow. There it is. Features of functions, okay? Again, it's always on the very top of the slides, right there. Features of functions. You see that? Top of the slides, features of functions, okay? So once you find that, there it is, boom, go ahead and take it. What's the essential question for today? Just type your answer. All right, that's the objective. It's always like the third slide right there, essential question. What is a function? What are its key features? Okay, if you can copy paste from there if you want to do that, it's okay with me, or just type it. It only takes a second to type it in. All right, next. What are today's 7 vocabulary words? Okay, there's a whole bunch here to pick from. Wow. All right. Let's go back here. Guys, here's a slideshow. What I've always told you, it's always on the very bottom slide. Those of you who had me before know, if you scroll to the very bottom, there it is. Very bottom slide, there they are. There's 7 of them. So just start going. In function, intercepts, domain. All right, intercepts, domain, function. Let's go back. What are the other ones? Range, interval notation, maximum, minimum. So we got here interval notation, range, maximum value. Right there, minimum value. There it is. There, I just got them. Okay. Go ahead and mark them all. All right, again, it's okay to do the assignment right here as you watch the video. All right, let's do the next puzzle piece. That was the notes assignment right here. Now we're going to do the summary. Let's open it up. Mine might look a little different than yours, but from here it should look about the same. Is this a function? Guys, vertical line, up and down. Does it ever touch it twice? No, that's a function. Yes, that's a function. Okay? Is this a function? Vertical line. See, I touched in 2 places right here, 2 places. That's not a function. No. Is this a function? Vertical line. Oops, I hit it in 2 places right there. 2 places if I go up and down. That's not a function. I'm going to try not to put the answers in anymore. All right, a straight line is always a function. All right? Always a function, a straight line. Except if it's straight up and down. Okay? So that's yes. That's a function. Is this a function? Yes. Guys, straight up and down, this only touches. This is a quadratic. All right? Never touches in 2 places, straight up and down. Never touches in 2 places. How this one, this is like a sine wave. Sine or cosine. It never touches. Never touches in 2 places, all right? That's answer is yes. I'll give you that one. That's yes. All right, this function has right here a minimum. All right, the maximum goes up forever. Has a minimum. So drag minimum right there. And that point is -3, -4. Looks like. Right there. -3 is the x, -4 is the y. Yep, x, y. Yep, that's it. All right. This function has a maximum right there. Has a maximum. And at the point is, looks like it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 1, 4, right there. 1, 4, okay? All right, this function has a max. Again, this is a absolute value. It's just upside down. Negative absolute value. All right, and that point is -3, 4. Right there. All right, just a couple more to go here. Select all the intercepts. Oh yeah, there's 3 of them. This goes through right there. That is -7, 0. See that right there? That's the x-axis right there. -7, 0. That one right there. We can come across right there. It crosses. It crosses at 0, -1. This is on the y-axis, up and down. It crosses right there. And it crosses the x-axis again, right there. That is 1, 0. The y is 0 right there. Okay, again, this is the x-axis. It's crossing right there. 1, 0. All right. Again, select all the intercepts. Here's the first one, right here. This is at -1, 0. And it intercepts the y-axis, intercepts right there. That is 0, and the y is 1, 2, 3, 0, 3. And it comes around, comes down, boom, right there. It hits the x-axis again. That is at 1, 2, 3, 0, 3, 0, right there. All right. That's it, guys, for these. Should be done with that. This video, I'm recording it now, so I'm going to put it down here. You have to take this summary once, though, if you notice, just to watch this video, okay? Now, guys, if you're done with that, go ahead and click back. Click inside the orange folder and do those assignments. I still have to add the videos in here. I haven't done it yet, okay? All right, guys, that's it. Thanks.